Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing one of the most popular entry-level DSLR cameras ever made, the Canon EOS Rebel T7, especially the two-lens kit with 18 to 55mm and 75 to 300mm lenses. Let's start with who this camera is for. This camera is designed for beginners, students learning photography, hobbyists upgrading from smartphones, anyone who wants true DSLR image quality without complexity. Keycap 1 sensor and image quality. At the core of the Rebel T7 is 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. DIGIC 4 Plus image processor. This gives you excellent detail, natural colors, good low-light performance for its class. Keycap 2 lens kit advantage. This is where this bundle shines. EFS 18 to 55mm lens. Ideal for portraits, street photography, everyday use. EF 75 to 300mm telephoto lens. Wildlife, sports, long-distance subjects. Together, these two lenses cover wide to telephoto, making this kit extremely versatile for beginners. Keycap 3 autofocus and performance. 9-point autofocus system. Center cross-type AF point. Accurate for still photography. This camera is not meant for fast action sports, but it performs well for learning fundamentals. Pause button, realistic pause. Now pause here. If you're learning photography, mastering manual mode, shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, this camera is excellent for practice. Keycap 4 video capabilities. Full HD 1080p video. Up to 30 frames per second. This is suitable for YouTube beginners, educational videos, casual vlogging. But it is not a 4K camera, so keep expectations realistic. Keycap 5 connectivity and ease of use. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Easy image transfer to phone. Simple menu system. Canon's UI is one of the most beginner-friendly in the DSLR world. Keycap 6 limitations.